Welcome back, reinforcement learning. This session I explained a genetic algorithm for Cartpole game. A genetic algorithm for Cartpole game. Uh, we already know the Cartpole environment in previous lectures. The genetic algorithm for Cartpole is evolutionary optimization method which is applied on Cartpole game to stand the pole on the base, the longer duration we got the more reward, higher reward. The environment challenges the agent to balance the pole upright on the moving cart, either left or right. Okay, the longer standing the pole on cart, we got the higher reward. The algorithm is the genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm is the evolutionary algorithm. It is the principle of natural selection by the recombination or crossover or mutations we are applied in to get the best rewards in Cartpole. That is the genetic algorithm. The Cartpole, this is the Cartpole environment. This environment to test our agent to stand the pole on the cart. The longer number of steps it is stand the upright, we got the best rewards. The genetic algorithm is a evolutionary optimization technique inspired by the process of natural selection. It operates on population of potential solution applying the mechanisms such as the selection, crossover or mutation to evolve the solution or the generations. The Cartpole environment is a classic reinforcement learning problem which is used the agent receive the rewards by for keeping a pole balanced on a cart. The agent performance is measured by the number of times steps is successfully maintains the pole is upright position. Okay, that is the Cartpole environment. Okay, in the concepts of implementation, we have knowledge on three concepts, the implementation of the genetic algorithm and Cartpole. The first one is agent representation, the fitness evaluation and evolutionary process. In agent representation, we are develop the agents is with using neural networks. In this example, we are using neural networks with three layers. The input is a state, output is a probability distribution function. So, the parameters are the weights and biases of the neural networks. Okay, these are we stored in the flattened vector to facilitate the mutation and recombinations. The fitness evaluation, the highest score fitness, we select the best agents by using fitness score. The next evolutionary process we are apply the natural selection process, either recombination, mutation or selection. The recombination means combine the segments of two parent agents parameters vector to produce the offsprings. They combine the two parents to produce the offsprings. The mutation introduce the randomness by altering the small portion of the agent to agent parameters vector to generate the offsprings, that is the mutation. Selection, it is a type of the tournament selection. We select the best performer agents parameters to produce the new offsprings. Okay, these are the evolutionary process. We select the best agents by using evolution fitness score and we are implement the agents by using neural networks. The state is the input, output is the probability distribution function. How to implement the genetic algorithm for Cartpole? The implementation steps, the first one is neural network definition. Define the neural networks with the three layers in this example. The neural networks is the ReLU activation function for the hidden layers on log softmax for the produce the probability distribution function. In output layer we are apply the log softmax in output layer. So the requires packing of the parameter vector into the layer specific matrices for the computation. The network is the ReLU activation function, the hidden layers, log softmax for output layers. Using this we define the neural network for agents. The population initialization, number of agents, the population means the number of agents initialization. The population of agents is initialized with the random parameter vectors Each agent is stored as a dictionary. The dictionary containing the parameters and fitness score. Okay, we have defined the each score is defined as a dictionary, the parameters and fitness score. This is the population initialization. The next step is recombination. The combine the agents. Two parent agent produce the two children. For splitting their parents vector at a random point and swapping agents. Okay, we have split the two parents and swapping we produce the two new children by applying recombination. Next one is mutation. Mutation is randomly changes a fraction of the parent parameters in a vector to maintain the genetic diversity. Okay, that is the mutation. Next one, the fitness evaluation. Okay, agents are tested in the Cartpole environment. Their performance is scored. Their performance score, that is the fitness score. Okay, we are select the best performance agents based on the fitness score. Next one is selection and next generation. Okay, we select the best performing agents and we produce the new generation, either apply in the crossover or selection or mutation. The tournament style selection mechanism is used to pick the parents for the next generation implementation, balance in the exploration and exploitation. The next one is training the population. We train the agents, the next one is we train the population, relatively allow the population with multiple generations, tracking on each generation, optimizing the fitness score to select the best performers. Using the different number of generations, population size and mutation rate. These are the important parameters in training the populations. Okay, these are called hyper parameters: population size, mutation rate and number of generations. The population size is the number of agents in each generation is the population size. Next one is the mutation rate. The probability of mutation occurring in offsprings is the mutation rate. We are generally taking the 0.01. The number of generation, how many iterations we are required, that is the number of generation. The total number of iterations for evolving the population is called a generation. Okay, these three are the important hyperparameters in genetic algorithm implementation for Cartpole game. Okay, these implementation steps we are applied in the Cartpole with the genetic algorithm. This gives the best result after fourth generation. We got the correct, it produces the good performer indexing is visible in the plotting. The genetic algorithm demonstrates the steady increase in the average score of the population or the generation. After fourth generation, we got the the good result is happened in this example. So the genetic algorithm is we are implemented the genetic algorithm on the Cartpole by applying the mutation, selection or crossover, natural selection approaches to stand the pole on cart the more number of steps. This type of genetic algorithms we are applying the more different reinforcement learning problems to solve them with good rewards. Okay, this is the one of the best approach of the evolutionary algorithms in reinforcement learning. Thank you.